Welcome back, fellow seekers of knowledge. Today, we're taking a plunge into the depths of the internet, exploring the enigmatic realm known as the dark web. But before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss our exciting content. Did you know that the dark web represents just a fraction of the entire internet? Dark web is notorious for its secrecy and illicit activities, but it's also a place of hidden knowledge and encrypted conversations. It's a secretive network accessible only through specialized software. Accessing the dark web involves navigating through hidden networks and websites that are not indexed by traditional search engines. So, let's address the elephant in the room, accessing the dark web. To do that, we need a special tool, the Tor browser, which ensures anonymity and privacy. Step 1. Download the Tor browser from the official Tor project website. It's free and available for different operating systems. I'm downloading it for Windows. Once the download is completed, save it. Open the folder and install it. Just make sure to get it from the authentic source to avoid any malware or scams. I have provided the link in description now. Before we proceed any further, let's talk precautions. The dark web can be a treacherous place, filled with cybercriminals and potential dangers. Always use a virtual private network, VPN, to add an extra layer of security and protect your identity. Once the Tor browser is installed, here we go with step 2, open it and configure any additional settings as prompted. By default, the Tor browser is set to provide you with the necessary anonymity and security. This is achieved through it or other similar software that encrypts and routes internet traffic through multiple servers, making it difficult to trace the origin or destination of the data. Step 3. Access dark web websites. Using the Tor browser, you can access dark web websites by entering their URLs directly into the browser's address bar. Note that dark web URLs typically end in .onion instead of traditional top-level domains like .com or .org. If you are unable to find any URLs with the .onion extension while using the Tor browser, there are directories and forums available on the surface web that provide lists of legitimate dark web websites. For example, the Hidden Wiki is a dark web version of Wikipedia that offers links to different websites on the dark web. The link of various other dark web websites are provided in the description box. Did you know that the dark web represents only a small fraction of the entire internet? It's like an iceberg, with most of its content hidden beneath the surface. Fascinating, isn't it? Dark web marketplaces are infamous for facilitating the trade of illegal goods and services. Drugs, weapons, stolen data, the list goes on. When it comes to authentic sources, you can rely on reputable security experts, cybersecurity blogs, and forums dedicated to discussions on privacy and online security. Some websites like Wired, ZDNet, and TechCrunch often publish articles related to the dark web and its implications. Organizations that often publish reports, white papers, and articles on various aspects of the dark web include the Carnegie Endowment for International Peace and the Berkman Klein Center for Internet and Society. Blogs such as Krebs on Security, Dark Reading, and Threat Post provide expert analysis and news updates on cybersecurity issues. Platforms like Google Scholar, JSTOR, or academic databases can be valuable resources to find in-depth studies and analyses. Be cautious, exercise discretion, and remember that law enforcement agencies actively monitor these hidden networks. Engaging in illegal activities can have serious legal repercussions. That's a wrap on our exploration of the dark web. Remember, it's a realm shrouded in secrecy. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing content.